Come, let's look at these JAMB past questions biology 2018. Question number 27. Which of the following relationships involves only one organism? A. Saprophytism, B. Commensalism, C. Parasitism, D. Symbiosis. Now, all these are relationships. In symbiosis, you have one organism in a relationship with another one, both of them benefiting from each other. So that's what you have in a symbiosis. In a parasitism, you have organism in a relationship with another organism. One will be benefiting, whereas one is losing. In commensalism, we also have two organisms in a relationship. One is benefiting, then the other one is neither losing nor benefiting. You see, it's neither losing nor benefiting. Whereas in saprophytism, you have organisms that feed on dead and decaying things. So this one, you're having only one organism involved. This one is normally two, this one is two, this one is two. But in this case, in symbiosis, the two organisms are benefiting. In parasitism, one is benefiting, one is losing. In commensalism, one is benefiting, one is neither losing nor benefiting. Whereas in saprophytism, we have organisms feeding on dead and decaying. That's what saprophytism is all about. Ability of certain organisms to live in dead and decaying organic matter. So this one, you talk about an organism living in a dead or decaying organic matter. So example of organisms that do this saprophytism, we were talking about the fungi, we are talking about some bacteria, talking about Indian pipe plants and the rest of them. So the one that actually involves just one organism here is saprophytism, and that's why A is the answer. Thank you.